Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LLIT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. And as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. But the one level that's not really an update, but confirmation would be right here at this $1.78-ish mark, which I talked about previously as a level of support. And you look at how the price reacted with it today. So midday, green line did a great job of acting as support, and now where the price essentially closed right now is slightly above that level, but that is an area where a lot of people are watching it today, and it was an area where you would want to see it act as support, and to give full credit where credit's due, it did indeed act as support. So right there going to be definitely a very one of those levels where a whole lot of people are going to be watching it, and that many more people are going to be watching it because there's, like I said, that much more confirmation where the price bounced off of it today. So keep a very close eye on that area. In the event, though, that area of the chart is broken, then no such thing as a guarantee, but especially if it's a high volume break of that level, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to at least close the gap right there at the $1.45 mark. But as of right now, so far so good. That initial level up there right around the $1.80-ish mark is holding strong. But again, if the price falls below there, especially with the high volume break, then I'd look for the price, odds are probably at least go down to $1.45, if not lower than that. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, so let's just get this changed to red for resistance here. I know I deleted out those other red lines, but in more of a near-term level, the very straightforward level right now that's presenting all sorts of problems is right there around $2.27. You can see several times this morning, price tried to get above it, couldn't quite do it. Then this afternoon, once again, tried to get up above it. So kind of a random level, but for whatever reason, that area has definitely, revealed itself to be a pretty stubborn level from the resistance side of things. So keep an eye on that going forward. But all in all, the big picture chart is still intact. It's still got an opportunity to build that higher base. So let's see if the bulls can indeed chip away and build an overall higher low. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.